Counterfeit's operation did not complete successfully because the files contained a virus or unwanted software in Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So this video is only for educational purpose. First thing first, you need to head towards the search icon at bottom left and type in settings. Click on open once you find it under best match. Navigate to Privacy and Security from this left panel and click Windows Security under Security. Now you need to click on Virus and Threat Protections under the Protection areas. A new window of Windows Security will appear on your desktop or PC. Then, if your file appears under the current threats, you simply need to click it and allow on the device and start the actions. Method 2, you can add an exclusion. So you need to stay in virus and threat protection and you can easily select the manage settings option. And you simply need to find the exclusions and click add an exclusion option and you can easily select files and choose the blocked file. By following this two-step, you can easily fix the operation did not complete successfully because the files contains a virus or unwanted software issues. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.